Watson, are you subscribed to the Raptor Center's YouTube channel? Yes? Awesome. Well, for those of you who aren't, click that red button below and subscribe so you never miss an episode of Avian Adventures. Have you ever watched vultures soaring high in the sky together and wondered, why do they do that? Well, wonder no longer. Today, we will be answering the question, why do raptors flock together? For the most part, raptors are solitary in the wild. Most would rather live and hunt by themselves. But that's not always the case. Harris's hawks, for example, actually hunt in packs, like wolves. They live in family groups in the desert, where food can be scarce. Their most common type of prey is a jackrabbit, and those quick creatures are hard to catch for an individual bird. Harris's hawks use a special technique called backstanding. This technique looks exactly as it sounds. One hawk perches on a cactus, and the others perch on top of him, or her. Then they take turns chasing the jackrabbit to tire it out. Once it's caught, the pack shares the feast and gets ready for the next chase. Other hawk species, like the broad-winged hawk, migrate in large flocks called kettles. They create a river of raptors in the sky as thousands migrate to warmer climates. Vultures are known for their large family groups. In fact, they have special names for the different ways in which they gather. For example, a group of vultures flying is called a kettle, while a group that is feasting on the ground is called a wake. And a group of vultures roosting in a tree is called a committee. What do you think is squawked about during those committee meetings? Owls are mostly found alone, but during cold winters, they can be seen huddled together for warmth. Owls will also gather in preparation for the mating season. A group of owls is called a parliament, a very fitting name for these stoic animals. There are some other very creative names out there to describe flocks of different bird species. A group of pelicans is called a squadron. A group of roadrunners is called a marathon. And a group of crows is called a murder. No matter what they're called, it's important to help these groups of birds as they navigate through the world. Keeping our beaches clean, staying on the path as you hike, and slowing down for scavengers that are cleaning up the road are all easy ways to make sure that we can keep seeing these spectacular flocks of birds in large numbers.